Meet DeMarco, the dancehall's multifaceted talent. Collin Demar Edwards, better known by his stage name DeMarco, is a Jamaican dancehall artist, singer, songwriter, and producer who has made a significant impact on the music industry. Born on September 28, 1982, in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica, DeMarco's versatility has earned him recognition both as a performer and behind the scenes as a producer. His career spans over a decade, during which he has delivered chart-topping hits, collaborated with international artists, and helped shape the sound of modern dancehall. Early life and musical beginnings. Growing up in Portmore, DeMarco was exposed to a variety of musical influences. From a young age, he showed a keen interest in music, experimenting with beats and rhythms in his early teens. His deep-rooted passion for music led him to immerse himself in various aspects of the industry, from writing lyrics to producing tracks. At the age of 16, DeMarco moved to the United States, where he attended school and continued to pursue his musical ambitions. His relocation to New York City played a pivotal role in his development, allowing him to gain experience in music production and connect with artists in both the reggae and hip-hop scenes. Breakthrough in the music industry. DeMarco's big break came in 2007 with the release of his hit single Fallen Soldiers, a heartfelt tribute to friends he had lost over the years. The song's emotional depth and relatable lyrics resonated with fans across Jamaica and the international dancehall community, cementing DeMarco's place as a rising star in the genre. Fallen Soldiers became an anthem of remembrance and established his reputation as an artist who could blend meaningful messages with dancehall rhythms. Following the success of Fallen Soldiers, DeMarco continued to release a string of hits, including Duppy Know Who Fi Frighten, Sort Dem Out, and I Love My Life, which became one of his most iconic songs. I Love My Life is known for its positive and uplifting message, and it has been celebrated as a dancehall anthem of self-love and motivation, versatility, and production skills. In addition to his vocal talent, DeMarco is a highly skilled producer. His production work extends beyond the dancehall genre, as he has collaborated with international artists in hip-hop, reggae, and pop. He has worked with acts such as Busta Rhymes, Sean Paul, and Akon, showcasing his ability to create cross-genre hits. His production style is known for its fusion of traditional dancehall beats with modern sounds, which has helped keep dancehall relevant in global music trends. DeMarco's role as a producer has given him a unique edge in the music industry, as he is involved in the creation of his music from start to finish. This control over his sound has allowed him to innovate and experiment with new styles, contributing to his longevity in the industry. Recent career and personal life. In recent years, DeMarco has continued to evolve as an artist. His 2021 debut album Melody features collaborations with artists like Sean Paul, Beanie Man, and Bounty Killer, and showcases his growth as a performer and producer. The album blends dancehall with reggae, Afrobeat, and pop influences, highlighting his adaptability to changing music landscapes. DeMarco is also a devoted family man. He often shares insights into his personal life on social media, giving fans a glimpse into his role as a father and husband. His ability to balance his personal life with a thriving career speaks to his dedication both as an artist and as an individual. Net worth and legacy. As of 2024, DeMarco's estimated net worth is around $2 million, earned through his music, production work, and live performances. His contributions to dancehall, both as a performer and producer, have solidified his place in the genre's history. Known for his versatility and consistency, DeMarco remains an influential figure in the world of dancehall, with a legacy defined by his creativity, resilience, and ability to connect with fans across generations.